Hezbollah is asserting that they have downed an Israeli drone engaged in combat operations, as per reports. In a declaration, Hezbollah mentioned that the drone, which was conducting assaults on the Lebanese populace, was intercepted in the El Aishiyeh vicinity, close to the southern border with Israel. The downed drone is identified as the Hermes 450, produced by the Israeli firm Elbit Systems. The Israeli Defense Forces acknowledged that a surface-to-air missile targeted a remotely piloted aircraft over Lebanon, leading to its crash within Lebanese borders. The matter is under scrutiny. In Chicago, an instigator known for leading Death to America chants is reported to contribute to Iranian state television and a channel linked to Hezbollah during a memorial service in Shehabiya, southern Lebanon. Hezbollah affiliates paid tribute and hoisted their organization's flags for comrades lost in an Israeli offensive. The incident of the drone being shot down coincides with the resignation of the chief of Israel's military intelligence, who stepped down due to the inability to avert the October event. The resignation of Major General Aharon Haliva, head of the Intelligence Directorate, was announced following his accountability for the events. Major General Aharon Haliva was commended by the Chief of the General Staff for his 38 years of service, contributing significantly to Israel's security as a soldier and leader. In a letter of resignation, Haliva expressed remorse, stating that the Intelligence Directorate under his leadership did not fulfill its responsibilities, and he has been haunted by the catastrophic events ever since. Following the unexpected assault by Hamas and in the current conflict in Gaza, it's reported that over 100 Hezbollah militants have been killed in border conflicts with Israel so far.